Good morning, children. This is Ritesh Mishra, and today we are continuing to solving the questions of exercise 3. We have solved up to question number 2. Now today we will solve question number 3 and onwards. To see first the Indian place value chart I have drawn here, and for your reminding, see periods. There are periods, crores, lakhs, thousands, ones, and places. Each periods except one's period there are 2 places. Only for one's period there are 3 places. So this is necessary for knowing about this place value chart. Okay, now we will solve the questions of question number 3. See question number 3, write the following in figures. Here we have to write the numerals in figures. So let's try. A 92,05,055. So having in our mind the Indian place value chart, we will write in numerals the 92 lakh. So we will write 92 in the place of lakh, and 5,000. There is nothing in 10, nothing in lakh period. Lakh period there is 92 lakh. There is nothing in 10,000 place. 10,000 place is nothing. Only in the 1,000 place 5 is given. So we put here 5, and in the 1,000 place 5, and 55. So here also not given anything in 100 place. So we will put 0 here, and we will write 55. Now see the number question, 12 crore 10 lakh 365. So we will write 12 in crore periods, 10 in lakh periods. There is nothing in 1,000 periods, so we will put 0, and 365 we will write 365. So children, I have taken some selected questions in question number 3. Rest questions will you do yourself at your home. So now see I number question. 13 crore 570. In the crore periods, what we will write? 13 crore. There is nothing in lakh period, so we will put 0. Nothing in 1,000 period, so we will also put in that place also 0. And 570 rest in one's period. What is given? 570. So we will write the numeral like this. Okay, now see J number, 10 crore 10,011. In the crore period we will write 10. Nothing in lakh period, we will write 0. In the 1,000 period 10 is given, so we will write 10. And 11. So nothing in 100 place, so we will put 0, and we will write 11. So this is the numeral for this number. Now K number, see 1 crore 1,001. 1 is in the crore period, so we have put here, we marked 1 in the crore place. Nothing in lakh place, so we will put 0. And in the 1,000 place only 1 is given, so in the 10,000 place we will put 0, and in the 1,000 place we will put 1. And one's place only once is given, so we will put 00 and 1. So we will write the numeral like this. Now come to the next question. Now see question number 4. Using Indian place value chart, write the place value of each digit in 64 crore 19 lakh 70,528. So children, we have to write the place value of each digit in this number. So we will do this question like this. First write the numeral. This is the numeral. And now we will write the place value. So we know it is in the ones place, so its place value will be 8. It is in the tens place, so its place value will be 20. It is in the hundred place, its place value will be 100. So this is 5 place value in this numeral will be 500. For the 0 digit, nothing is any place value, because its place value 1000 is multiplied by 0, then nothing will come, so we will leave, or we can write also. So we are leaving here these numerals, this digit. And now see for what is the place value of 7 digits. So this is in the 10,000 place, so it is multiplied by 10,000 and its place value will become 70,000. This is in the lakh period, so this is multiplied by 1 lakh and 9 place value will be 9 lakh. Okay, this one is in the 10 lakh place, so this is multiplied by 10 lakh and this one's place value will be 10 lakh in this numeral. Now come for this digit. This digit is 4 in the crore period, so this is multiplied by 1 crore and its place value will be 4 crore. And for this number, this digit is 6. This is in the 10 crores period. So this, for calculating this digit place value, we will multiply its place value where what it have. It having 10 crore place, so it is multiplied by 10 crore. And its place value will come 60 crore. So by this we can compute the place value of each digit in any numerals. Now see question number 5. Using Indian system of numeration, find the place value of underlined digit in each of the following. So here is for the whole digits we have not calculated for place value. We will calculate only place value for underlined digits. So we are taking here some selected questions A, C, E, F. Rest you will do yourself. So see the solution for numerals A. Numerals is given 68. First we separate by putting comma. We have putted comma here. Now we can read easily, and for the 9 digit we have to compute place value. So this numeral will we read as 59 crore 7 lakh 13,568. So now we are able to see that 9 is at the crore place. 9 is at the crore place, so 9's place value will be 9 will be multiplied by 1 crore. So its place value will be 9 crore. Okay, now see C number question. C number question is, this is numeral given for you. First we will separate this according to period, and underline is given at 8 digit, and this numeral will be read as 82 crore 3 lakh 7,514, and for 8 digit we have to compute place value. It is at the 10 crore place, so it will be multiplied by 10 crore. And its place value will be 80 crore. Right? Now see E number. E number numeral is first, as earlier we put comma to separate period, and in this numeral for 0 digit we have to calculate the place value, and it is at the lakh period, crore, lakh, thousand and ones period. So this is in the place of lakh period, so this digit will multiplied by 1 lakh, and nothing will come, so zero's place value will be 0 in these numerals. Now come F number question, and F number is numeral is 1913, and for 5 we have to calculate the place value, and first we put comma to separate the period. So this numeral will be 91 crore 35 lakh 46,007, and for the 5 digit we have to calculate place value. This is in the place of lakh period, so this is multiplied by 1 lakh, and its place value will be 5 lakh. Okay, so you will keep your practice continue at your home. Rest solution will we take in the next class. Till then, thank you, have a good day.